What if I told you that AI could predict which customers you're about to lose before they even think of leaving? Imagine having the power to foresee customer departures and intervene before they happen. This isn't just a futuristic dream, it's a reality that can revolutionize the way you do business, keeping your customer base strong and loyal. Businesses are hemorrhaging customers without realizing it, costing them millions in lost revenue and growth potential. Everyday unnoticed churn eats away at profits, leaving companies scrambling to understand why their customers are disappearing. This silent crisis is not only damaging financially, but also stifling growth, making it crucial to address this issue head-on. But fear not. We're about to embark on a journey to unlock the secrets of customer retention using the power of AI. With AI, we can delve deep into customer data, revealing insights that were previously unimaginable. This journey promises to transform your understanding of customer loyalty and provide the tools needed to retain your most valuable clients. Step 1. Harness AI to analyze your customer data, uncovering hidden patterns and loyalty trends you never knew existed. AI algorithms can sift through vast amounts of data, identifying subtle signals that indicate a customer's likelihood to stay or leave. By understanding these patterns, you can proactively address issues before they escalate, ensuring your customers remain satisfied and engaged. Step 2. Use these AI-generated insights to craft personalized retention strategies that will make your customers feel truly valued and understood. Tailored approaches, informed by data-driven insights, can significantly enhance customer satisfaction. By showing your customers that you understand their needs and preferences, you build a stronger, more personal connection that encourages loyalty. By implementing these AI-driven strategies, you'll not only stop the customer exodus, but also transform your business into a loyalty-generating powerhouse, skyrocketing your profits and leaving your competitors in the dust. Imagine a future where your business thrives on customer loyalty, setting you apart in a competitive market. This is the power of AI in customer retention. So, what are you waiting for? Like, if this helped you, comment if you agree, and follow for more insights on leveraging AI to boost your business success.